Student, today we will start topic ECG, that is electrocardiogram. Okay, what is electrocardiogram and electrocardiograph? First, electrocardiogram and electrocardiograph. First, we will discuss what you mean by electrocardiogram. So, electrocardiogram is it is a graphical representation. Okay, graphical representation, graph. इस पे हम तो you have seen ECG, the graph like structure come. So graph that records the electrical activity of the heart wall. कार्डियक साइकिल हम लोग ने पढ़ी है, ठीक है. वी हैव स्टडी कार्डियक साइकिल. तो उसमें क्या हम लोग जो है हार्ट वॉल की क्या वी कैन से देयर एक्टिविटी, electrical activity through graph. Okay, so graph that records the electrical activity of the myocardium during cardiac cycle. Remember, and there is one more word, मीन्स जब कार्डियक साइकिल होती है उस समय हार्ट वॉल की क्या इलेक्ट्रिकल एक्टिविटी होती वो हमको ग्राफ के थ्रू पता चलती है, ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, देयर इज वन मोर टर्म, इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ. Electrocardiograph. So don't, it is a machine. So don't get students, मतलब people mostly get confused. यहाँ ग्राफ आ रहा है तो it is a graph. इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम क्या होगा, मशीन होगा, बट इट्स नॉट है. इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम में क्या होता है, ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है. एंड इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ, ग्राफ वर्ड आ रहा है तो इट मीन्स इट इज़ अ मशीन. ओके, now come to the its interpretation. Suppose it is a baseline. Okay, I will draw graph. This is base, this is P Q R S T. Okay, so first we'll study this P wave. What is P wave? So P wave is what? यहाँ पे stimulus is generated. Generation of stimulus from SA node. Student, before studying this topic, study internal structure of heart, cardiac cycle carefully. Then you will be able to understand these peaks wave. Okay, so P wave is what? जब stimulus generate हो रहा है from SA node. So it is a P waves क्या denote करते, generation of stimulus from SA node. Okay, now what happen, जो stimulus है वो move होगा muscles में and it will cause attraction. में stimulus generate हुआ है, अब वो क्या होगा, it will be receive, it will move on to muscles, muscles में move होगा. Okay, now this stimulus move on to muscles and cause contraction. Next is what? PQ interval. What is PQ interval? Now what happened? जो stimulus यहाँ generate हुआ है, it will receive by auricular. Stimulus को auricular receive किया, तो what happened? यहाँ पे depolarization होगा. Auricular depolarization. Stimulus अब यहाँ आ गया, तो क्या होगा? Contraction, इसको systole. Stimulus on auricular. ठीक है. Now QRS. What is QRS? It is a complex. QRS complex. So QR. Now what happened? Stimulation जो हुआ है from AV नोड से वॉल पे जाएगा, वेंट्रिकुलर में जाएगा. ठीक है. It will receive by ventricle. Now stimulus is received by the ventricle. RS ST is interval. So now what will happen? Ventricular systole. You can say systole or depolarization. T wave. Now joint distole means it's repolarization. Ventricular repolarization. It will be diastole, means relaxation. Joint distole, all are in relaxation. Okay. Next is what? Waves P R T. They are positive because they are above the base. Base के ऊपर है PRT. That's why they are positive. Q and S, they are below base. They are negative. So PRT waves they are positive waves because they are above the base. And QS, they are negative waves because they are below the base. So this is all about the ECG. Okay. So electrocardiogram क्या होता है? Graphical representation of electrical activity of wall heart, and graph it electrocardiograph. It's a machine. So understand the difference between these two, ECG or EKG. So this is all about ECG.